Okay, I want to talk to you a little bit about Udemy today. Udemy is a very, very viable and great place to get solo ad traffic from a variety of people. And you can see here's my account. I'm just going to show you how to buy a solo ad. How this works is Udemy provides a platform. You create an ad, and then someone in your sellers buys the ads, and then you can rate them. See here, I've had 2,300 positive ratings and I've had 9 negatives. Can't be perfect, I guess. But the fact is, that's a lot of business. I do a lot of business with Udemy. It's one of my favorite places uh, to sell traffic, but I also buy traffic here. To buy traffic, you come in, you create your account, you go down here to where it says ad text, and you will create an ad. Here you can see 3 ads that I've created. I'll just take a look at this one right here. I ran this a few times. Essentially, what I've got here is a subject line, and then the copy, and then a hyperlink. Boom. That hyperlink there is what Udemy used when if I was to buy an ad right now, got typos I need to fix. If I was to buy an ad using this ad, this hyperlink, which is looks like this right here, is going to be converted into a link that's customized for Udemy, and that link gets given to my provider. So let's say I go buy a solo ad. I'm going to go over here to find sellers. No, better yet, I'm going to go to solo deals. Let's say I want to buy a solo from Mark here. It would have my copy all ready to go. I just select the amount of clicks I want. Let's say I want 100 clicks, and then I'm gonna pay $39. Now, when I pay that $39, that money goes into YouTube's account. They hold it in escrow, and when this guy finishes delivering the product, what happens is he gets paid. At the end of that, I have the right to say thanks for the solo, good job, or say that there's something wrong, or I'll have a chance to rate them. Now, people get kind of bitter because they expect to make money on the small ads, and the reality is you gotta drive a lot of traffic to make money, but just the way things are. So this is the hyperlink. What Udemy is going to do is I'm going to show you an ad that I have right now. These are orders that I'm running as we speak. All these orders are in my system and they're running. So if we look at this guy right here, I'm going to go over to the info tab. That link creates a unique tracking link for each individual order. So he could buy 10 different orders with the same ad text. It's going to give me 10 different specific tracking links. And then he'll be able to track his statistics from here to make sure that the traffic's actually getting delivered. Okay, so what's going to happen at this point is as I deliver these orders, all these links are getting clicked and filled, and you can see the traffic going into them. It's just a matter of me going through and delivering enough traffic to all these orders and all their individual swipes and all their individual copies. Once they're completed, plus 10%, the total goes into my money account, and then I'll get paid. You see, today I have $1,400 worth of orders. This is a typical day's worth of business. So if you're buying traffic, what will happen is in your solo section, you'll have something here where you buy. Okay, and like I said, I buy a few solos, not very many, but once in a while, I'll just want to test traffic. You can see here some of the traffic I bought in the last year from some of the providers, and I can go look at the stats. So this is how Udemy works. What's great about it is they have a good filtering program, so only good traffic gets to you. There's never any bots. People who deliver bots, they're actually, traffic doesn't end up on thank you pages. So this is going to protect you from fraud 100%. It really works well. I have bought bad traffic and ran it through it and got red flagged quickly. And I'm like, wow, I didn't know it was bad traffic. Now I know who to believe or not believe. And that's just part of the way it works. But Udemy is a source if you want to do something other than buying traffic through our system.